wishing all our viewers a productive and empowering day. We have got three powerful updates from the decentralized universe, each one crafted to make your crypto life a little easier, smoother, and smarter. Today, we look at how CycleOps is redefining canister management on the internet computer, explore OISY Wallet's sleek new update, and peek into how Juno Analytics just made privacy-first campaign tracking a breeze. And yes, Ledger Life continues to be powered by your donations. Every Satoshi, ICP, or stablecoin helps. Wallet details are in the description below. Let's get right into it. First up, CycleOps is flipping the internet computer playbook, and it's all about control without complexity. For anyone who has ever lost hours to command line frustrations while deploying canisters, here is your upgrade. CycleOps introduces a dashboard that lets you launch and manage smart contracts without even glancing at a CLI. Just 3 steps: pick a subnet, set a cycle balance, and assign controllers. That's it. Your canister is live. What used to take trial, error, and a cheat sheet of command flags now happens in seconds. The interface gives you access to everything: start or stop your canister, tweak controls, set operational thresholds, and even roll back to previous states with snapshots. Plus, live log tailing lets you see exactly what's happening under the hood. The real value, it's designed for developers. Whether you are a solo dev launching a passion project or a team pushing out production-grade services, CycleOps simplifies everything without taking control away. It's not trying to be an all-in-one platform. Instead, it focuses squarely on one pain point: life cycle management, and it delivers with confidence. Subnet selection, a small but impactful feature, lets you align your app's needs, be it performance, compliance, or storage, right from the launch screen. That kind of thoughtful engineering is what makes CycleOps more than just a dashboard. It's a frictionless command center. And this isn't just about solo workflows. Teams benefit too. You can assign multiple controllers during launch, so collaboration is baked in from the start. There is no backtracking or extra config management required. CycleOps is laser focused on reducing operational overhead, and it shows. Whether it's saving you from midnight debugging sessions or giving you confidence that your app can roll back in seconds, this is the kind of tool that makes decentralized development more human and, frankly, more enjoyable. If you are building on ICP, this is your sign. CycleOps is live, it's clean, and it's ready to work. No drama, no detours, just deployment simplified. Speaking of smart upgrades, let's glide over to the second story. OISY Wallet has just pushed out version 1.4.6, and it's a quiet powerhouse. This isn't a flashy revamp, it's precision tuning across the board. The biggest headline: full support for Polygon. That means Polygon, USDC, and USDT are now natively supported, bringing OISY into deeper multi-chain territory. For users juggling stablecoins or flipping between protocols, this knocks out a whole layer of friction. Then there is the new Smart Send flow. OISY now remembers recently used addresses and flags new or unfamiliar ones. If you have ever double-checked a wallet address in paranoia before hitting send, this feature is for you. It reduces risk without slowing you down. Integration with ICP swap is another win. Default swap offers are now optimized automatically, but manual control remains available. The balance between convenience and user agency is just right. It's not a black box, but it does the heavy lifting so you don't have to. The updated activity page is smoother and faster. Progressive loading makes scrolling through past transactions easier, which are basic, yes, but essential. Clearer fee displays and improved filters make the overall experience feel far more coherent and less like a spreadsheet nightmare. XTC and vEuro have also joined the party. The inclusion of vEuro even comes with a clean Eurostars background, a visual cue that says "We see you" to European users without making a fuss. And for those dealing with CK token conversions, you will now see pending transactions reflected in your log immediately, even before they fully settle. No more refresh, gus, repeat routines. All this tells a consistent story. OISY's team listens. These aren't marketing features, they are for people using the wallet every day. If you are a power user or even just a frequent sender, the smoother buttons, clearer filters, and smarter flows add up. They reduce bugs, minimize confusion, and build trust. Polygon support opens the door to more users, while the ICP swap integration shows OISY is always looking for intelligent automation done right. This isn't about bells and whistles, it's about polish, clarity, and efficiency. So if you are looking for a wallet that handles multiple chains, respects your autonomy, and doesn't trip over its own design, OISY version 1.4.6 is worth a look. And finally, let's zoom into something that's quietly making developers' lives easier. Juno analytics just got sharper. Campaign tracking has officially landed. Developers can now tell whether traffic is coming from tweets, newsletters, ads, or a random Reddit post. No added setup, no extra cost, and definitely no cookies. UTM support is now baked right into the dashboard, making it a go-to for anyone who wants clarity without compromising user privacy. Juno's privacy-first design means every session is tracked anonymously, with no persistent identifiers, and every visit gets a fresh random ID. There is no need for cookie pop-ups, no creepy cross-device tracking, just simple, honest analytics. That tiny 3 KB JavaScript snippet does some heavy lifting. It slots into your UI without slowing down performance or getting in the way of your app's rhythm. Conversion rates stay untouched and your users stay untracked in the best way. With campaign tracking now live, developers can finally attach UTM parameters to links and see what's actually working. Which ad brought traffic? Which post drove clicks that mattered? Juno shows you the data clearly and without a paywall. Performance metrics are also part of the package. Web vitals, those core signals that matter to Google, are integrated by default. So you are not only seeing where your traffic comes from, but how it experiences your site when it gets there. And because Juno is open source, the trust gap is non-existent. The code is public, auditable, and entirely self-owned. Data is stored on-chain, and you can pick a subnet if you have got geographic preferences or compliance requirements. GDPR ready and fully transparent. Deploying Juno involves creating an arbiter. It's a data collector that organizes your analytics. One arbiter can serve multiple satellites, meaning you can track various parts of your app or different campaigns without needing extra setups. There is a cap at 500 GB per arbiter, which covers most use cases. But if you are running massive multi-year campaigns, that's something to keep in mind. And one quirky bit, because the system avoids fingerprinting HTTP origins, anyone mimicking your data format can technically send data to your arbiter. So Juno advises keeping your wallet lean and using monitoring to catch noise early. Campaign tracking may seem like a small feature, but for those managing outreach in the dark, it's a flashlight. Juno isn't here to dazzle with gimmicks. It's here to support clean, efficient development. If you want to know what's working without compromising what's right, this is one to watch. That's all for today. Whether you are refining deployments with CycleOps, managing multi-chain assets on OISY, or gaining sharper insights with Juno, these are the tools quietly shaping a better experience for everyone building on the decentralized web. As always, if you would like to support Ledger Life and keep stories like these flowing, donations are deeply appreciated. You will find the wallet links in the description below, along with project links from today's episode. Stay curious, stay decentralized, and we'll see you soon.